Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 14C, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages you will find a screen recording toggle. So for me it is the last one on the first page right over here. Once you see this toggle, tap on it. This brings up this overlay right here with the information on what you can do. That does disappear after a moment. So we have the red circle, which is the record button. Folder takes you to the folder where you have only screen recordings. Then you have settings and close. So anyway, I'm gonna click on the record button. And now I get an opportunity to show garbage. Oh yes. So in a second I'm going to be showcasing a unwanted feature of Android. So right now you can see a bunch of content visible right here on my screen. I am not signed in, therefore I haven't agreed to any bullshit terms of service from Netflix. They can go screw themselves. I don't use Netflix, so yeah. There's content visible using the network of the device without me giving it any kind of permissions to do anything outside of, well, obviously opening it up as I clicked on it. So I'm going to close this and now I'm going to stop the recording. And we can navigate to the gallery application right here. And albums. And you can see there's the screen recording. So there we go. Let's go back to albums. For some reason it just went back. And here we have screenshots and screen recording album. And you can click on that. You have two tabs. Screen recording. So that's what we want to click on. And here's the recording. Allow. Can you just play? What the hell is happening? Can you just play, please? There we go. So, what you're about to experience is a feature of Android that is designed for privacy and security of the user. I highlight user as what it's protecting right now is corporate asses of pieces of shit that basically want to fleece you of all your money. To explain this feature, it's designed to prevent any kind of malicious application from being able to see sensitive information, for instance, like info of your bank accounts and stuff like that. Where it doesn't make sense is in Netflix usage because it's not protecting shit here, at least not your shit. So yeah, it's completely useless in this aspect. And furthermore, even though Android supposedly is an open platform, yeah, there is no open option for you to turn off here this specific setting. It's because Android is so open. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to point that out. If you ever experience this kind of recording where you have a straight up black screen, just know that this is an application just doing whatever the heck it wants and you have nothing to say about it. It's gonna do it and you have no option to change it. So yeah. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.